Hello everyone, good morning to all of you and welcome you all to my YouTube channel NTA UGC Net GRF Environmental Science. Friends, today in this video I am going to discuss a very important section, that is the section 1 of the syllabus of Environmental Science and Engineering. So friends, in upcoming video we are going to discuss in detail with all the topics under the mathematical foundations or mathematics foundation. So right now I would like to introduce you all what kind of topics are here to be introduced, okay, and we are going to discuss. So the topics you can see on your screen is linear algebra, in which we are going to discuss determinants and matrices in upcoming classes, as well as system for linear equation, eigenvalue and eigenvectors, as well as if I talk about the calculus. So in calculus we are going to discuss about functions, limit, continuity, differentiability, local maxima and minima, as well as Taylor series, test for convergence, definite and indefinite integrals, application of definite integrals to obtain area and volume, as well as partial and total derivatives. And thereafter we will deal with the differential equations, in which linear and non-linear first order ordinary differential equations, higher order linear ordinary differential equations with constant coefficients, Cauchy and Euler's theorem, and Laplace transform and its application in solving linear ODEs. And friends, in this section, probability and statistics, descriptive statistics, measurement of central tendency, dispersion, skewness and kurtosis, probability concepts, conditional probability, Bayes theorem, risk and reliability, probability distribution, correlation, single and multiple regression model, hypothesis, testing, t-test, f-test and chi-square test. So these are the topics which will be covered in the upcoming classes. Thanks for watching this video.